Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you how to install lift supports for your hood. That way you don't have to deal with this rod anymore. These are the lift supports. There's two of them, and they are from Tsubasa. I think that's how you say it. I'm going to leave a link in the video description. They come with some hardware, a couple of brackets, and the instructions, which are not so great. So let me show you how to do this. All right guys, let's start with the brackets. These brackets are not marked. It would have been nice for them to put right and left, but the way you could tell which one's which, this part goes on the outside, okay? So what you're gonna do is remove this two 12 millimeters, and you're gonna put this on like this and bolt it on, okay? Battery's going dead. All right, that's the way they look like when installed. You can always loosen them up and adjust them up and down if you want. Okay, next we need access to this bolt right under there. So let's start taking out some of these clips. You just take a screwdriver and just pop them up and remove them. And you're gonna do that all the way around and remove this plastic, okay? There's 5 clips all together. Now this whole thing comes up. Next, take your lift support and the nut they give you, and you're gonna attach it to here. But this doesn't fit right on there, so I'm gonna need to loosen this up and lift this up a little bit so it fits, okay? So now we're gonna attach this. This you're tying with a 13 millimeter. All right. Tie these guys back up. If this spins on you, just get another wrench to tighten it up there. Okay, you're gonna use a 12 millimeter wrench to hold the outside. Remove the clips on this side too. Next, remove this 10 millimeter. Next, take these brackets they give you, and what you're gonna do is, you don't need this anymore, so they make these for different applications. So Then you're gonna screw this part on there. All right. Now this is you're gonna bolt this on there, okay? Okay, lift the hood to where you need it so you can put this bolt on. You want this to be tight like that, but I need to use an open wrench because I can't get that thing on there. My battery died. Throw these on. Throw your clips on. These clips, make sure they're out. And what you're gonna do is put the prongs in and then push them in. All right, that's what it looks like installed. Pretty cool. Now when you go shut the hood, don't slam it, okay? Make sure it's closing even on both sides before you fully close it. Now you can open it with one hand. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.